And finished concrete. So we are adding on to our little retaining wall here. We got a suspended slab going in, and we didn't really have anywhere to brace this with what materials we had left over, so we used the trailer.
Let them build the thing and then we'll start the next one.
We got it down. Took a little bit. We got a 4,000 pound mix over here today, so it's going to set up relatively quick. But we got our coin edged in, chamfer strips down. Everything looks really, really good. So we got our edger down. This is such a freaky sight right here. This is standing up one full story. We're actually 12 feet in the air right now. And that's our finished product. Looks pretty damn good.